Joe has been working hard to get his channel to over 5,000 subscribers. Recently, he received 3 community guideline strikes from YouTube, which means that his channel was terminated. As a result, he lost 5,000 subscribers and no longer has a way to communicate with them. If he had generated leads from his YouTube channel and built an email list of 5,000 subscribers, he would be able to get in touch with them. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate leads for free on YouTube so you can build an email list off YouTube. You'll then be able to generate a passive income by recommending your products and services to people on the list anytime. If anything happens to your YouTube channel, you'll still have a list that you own. Here are the steps to generate leads for free from YouTube. Number 1, create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something you freely give away in exchange for contact information. You could create different lead magnets for different topics. This could be something simple such as a free cheat sheet, free ebook, free course, free graphics, etc. Make sure your free giveaway is something so good that people will be willing to pay for it. It should be something relevant to the content on your channel. Here's an example of a free ebook that I give away in exchange for viewers' contact information. If you want to get my secret formula for getting your video to rank and convert viewers into subscribers, click the link in the description below this video. Number 2, opt-in page. Your opt-in page is what viewers see when they click the link in the description or the link in the card or the end screen. It should contain a paragraph outlining the main benefits of what they'll receive in exchange for their contact information. The fastest and easiest way to create an opt-in page is use the templates that come with your email list provider. I use the email list provider called Aweber because it includes many landing page templates where you can easily create an opt-in form. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free Aweber account. For example, you have about or bio templates, blog or podcast templates, consultations, e-commerce, events or webinar, freebies, opt-ins, thank you pages, and others. It also allows you to store all your email contacts and you can email them at any time. Another great thing it includes is the email autoresponder, which allows you to schedule your emails to go out at any time, staggered over different days, weeks, or even months. After you set it up, you can schedule the emails to go out automatically without being at your computer. Number 3, a thank you page. The thank you page confirms to your subscribers that they've subscribed to your list. You can also include your download link on this page to download your cheat sheet, ebook, or course. Number 4, call to action. Add a link to your landing page in the first 3 lines of your description, so when people are watching the video, they'll be able to see the link and click on it to go to your opt-in page. You also want to instruct your viewers somewhere in the video to click the link in the description. This could be something simple as, if you want to get my free cheat sheet to get more views on your YouTube channel, click the link in the description. If you remember the YouTube Partner Program, you can add an external link in a card or an end screen. If you use the end screen, you can even include an image of your ebook. Here's a hot tip. If you find that most viewers are leaving before they reach the end of the video, place your call to action at the beginning of your video. Congratulations, you now have an evergreen lead generation machine. Number 5, track your open rates. When you sign up for your email list provider, you'll be able to see how many people actually open your emails to read them. If it's a very low percentage, then work on your headlines and the message that you convey to your subscribers. Here's another hot tip about managing your email list. Every 6 months, clean your list. This means removing the people that no longer open your emails. Hey, good afternoon.
Taking pictures, huh?
Taking pictures, making a video while they've still got the fall colors.
Yeah, I hear you.
Here are the top benefits of building the email list. It's the best way to build a deep relationship with your subscribers. The more they get to know, like, and trust you, the easier it'll be to recommend your products and services. Email, unlike social media sites, is a one-to-one relationship, and most people seem to open their emails. Recommend multiple products and services. Building an email list is a great way to pitch products and services that your customers might want to use. Poll your list. If you get stuck for ideas on what to create for your next video, you can poll your list to get some new ideas from your subscribers. Notify subscribers of new videos. When you upload a new video to YouTube, notify the subscribers on your email list because they're the ones that'll be probably most interested in your content. If you get that high view velocity in the first 24 to 48 hours of people watching your video, that'll send a signal to YouTube to promote it to more people. If you're not generating leads and building an email list off YouTube, you won't be able to build a business off YouTube. As I mentioned before, you don't own YouTube, but you own your list. So if something happens to YouTube, you still have the subscribers on your list. Keep in mind that even one video can generate leads for weeks, months, or even years in the future. If you want your email list to grow faster, upload more videos to your YouTube channel and invite people to download your free lead magnets. I still get people joining my email list from videos that I created 8 years ago. Now that you know how to generate leads for free on YouTube by building an email list, how do you actually get paid on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers and being a member of the YouTube Partner Program? Watch the video on the screen right now to learn how to get paid making YouTube videos without having 1,000 subscribers or being a member of the YouTube Partner Program.